Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that plays many essential roles in our body. Therefore, its deficiency can lead to many common health problems. And since the human body cannot store it, vitamin C deficiency is more common than you think. Studies have shown that many people have low level of vitamin C, which can be harmful to your overall health and wellness even if you're not deficient very much. Here are the top 10 symptoms associated with vitamin C deficiency. Let's check them out. Falling sick often. Vitamin C deficiency is directly associated with a poor immune system as it plays a very important role in building immunity. It helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, called as fighter cells, that fight bacteria and viruses as a part of immune response. Thus, its deficiency can negatively impact your immune system by weakening it. Second one is slow wound healing. When you get injured, our body needs collagen protein to repair itself. It plays a role in stage of repairing the skin. Vitamin C deficiency slows the rate of collagen formation, thus causes wound to heal more slowly. Third most important symptom is poor dental health. Red, swollen or bleeding gums are the most common symptom of vitamin C deficiency. Your gum tissues are made up of collagen protein and vitamin C is crucial for collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, your gum tissue becomes weakened, inflamed and eventually begins to bleed. Easy bruising. Bruising is a very common sign, in fact the first observed signs of vitamin C deficiencies. When tiny blood vessels or capillaries break under the skin due to the deficiency, patches will appear on the skin. Poor collagen production due to vitamin C deficiency causes weak blood vessels under the skin, which easily get ruptured, causing blood vessels to leak in the surrounding area, leading to bruising. Fourth one is poor bone health. Vitamin C deficiency can also affect bone health. It plays a critical role in bone formation as a cartilage in your bones and joint is largely made up of collagen and vitamin C is important for collagen production. A deficiency of this micronutrient can result in less padding between the bones and achy joints, which flags inflammation, swelling and joint pain. Sixth one is dry skin. Vitamin C is a normal skin constituent that is found in high levels in both dermis and epidermis layer of the skin. The antioxidant property of vitamin C and its role in collagen synthesis make vitamin C a vital molecule in maintaining good health of your skin. Deficiency of the same results in dry, damaged and early aging of the skin. Seventh one is frequent nosebleeds. Nosebleeds occur when the tiny blood vessels in the nose burst. So frequent nosebleeds are a sign of weak blood vessels in your nose which are strengthened by collagen protein. Vitamin C deficiency can result in weakened blood vessels, causing them to erupt and create a nosebleed frequently. Eighth important symptom is dry and damaged hair. Collagen gives your hair its necessary strength. When you're low on vitamin C, your collagen production can pay the price, leading to the weak and damaged hair which fall out very easily. Ninth one is unexplained weight gain. Several research studies have found a link between low level of vitamin C and high amount of body fat, especially belly fat. Vitamin C may play a role in fat metabolism by regulating the release of fat from the fat cells to utilize it as energy. 10th and last symptom for today is always being tired. Fatigue, irritability and poor mood and tired and cranky are the earliest and easiest detectable symptom of vitamin C deficiency. Let's now see how to increase the vitamin C levels in the body. First one is avoid sugar. Take vitamin C supplements. Eat foods rich in vitamin C. Doing intermittent fasting. Boost your glutathione levels. these are the ways how you can increase your vitamin C levels. If you think you're suffering from vitamin D deficiency, then you can call your doctor for further analysis. Hope you like this video.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.